Hi guys, welcoming you all to this video. I'm Abhivarman. Today we are going to see how to create a free shipping coupon in WooCommerce. Before starting with the video, do subscribe to our channel for more useful content. So free shipping is an increasingly popular option for online shopping where customers do not have to pay an additional shipping charge. Free shipping is attractive to customers who appreciate simple pricing structure, which in turn make a potential competitive advantage for all online businesses. So now let's see how to create a free shipping coupon in WooCommerce. Open your WordPress dashboard, go to marketing, select coupons, click on add coupon. Yes. So it takes some time to open. Yes, perfect. So now you can give a coupon code in the first row. So let me give it as free ship. And you can give a coupon description and you can see an option allow free shipping. Just enable allow free shipping and you can publish it. Yes, perfect. Now you can go to your shop. You can add few product to your cart. So let me add this perfume and cap. So now you can go to your cart. You can see a coupon field. Just type your coupon name, free ship, apply coupon. Coupon code applied successfully. Yes, coupon free ship has been applied successfully. So this is how you can create a free shipping coupon in WooCommerce. Thank you for watching the video. Let's meet in next video. Bye.